Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing amazing today. We are going to make Gari Fotor, which is another Ghanaian wonderful dish, and it's so easy to prepare. It's basically just Gari mixed with stew. So if you have any stew leftovers in your fridge, please eat it with Gari and make it Gari Fotor. However, I'm going to show you how to make a quick corned beef stew to eat with your Gari Fotor and lots of vegetable. You will just love it. Okay guys, so if you're interested, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like my videos, to share it, and also please turn your notification bells on so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you all for your support and God bless you. Let's get started. And wait, there is also one special guest in my video that helped me at some points. I want to show my kids how to cook, even though they are boys, but I think it's very important. I don't want any lady to come and and kind of simple. The ways you can. Anyway, I want all my kids to know how to cook. So one of them will be helping me out today at some point. So thank you all. Bye.
Hey guys, so this is it. This is my Ghanaian Gari Fotor. Some people also call it Gari Jollof, which I think is not bad. So if you've never tried Gari Fotor before, this is your chance to try it. It's full of flavor, but also it depends on the type of stew you are eating it with. But with the recipe I'm going to give you now, trust me, you will eat it and eat it and eat it. No one's saying débit, et vous allez encore le manger. Okay, so please watch this video if you are interested, and I'll see you next time for another Mrs. Jury recipe. Until then, as usual, take care of yourself. Don't forget to share my videos, watch the video in HD, like, comment and share. See you next time. Bye bye, and let's get right into it. To make Gari Fotor, of course, you need Gari, and I have here 2 cups of Gari, which is enough for about 3 to 4 people. I have here 3 chopped medium-sized tomato and 1 chopped onion, chopped in slices. I have some spring onions, I have carrots, and I also have some hot chilies. And for this recipe, I'll be using corned beef. So this is just regular corned beef, and you can find it in any supermarket. You just need 1 can of it. For this recipe, I'll need some tomato puree. You can also use tomato paste. For the seasoning, I'm also using all-purpose seasoning. I have here some ground hot chili powder. I also have some garlic granules and some thyme. I'll be adding just a little bit of hot curry powder. Of course, you need some salt to taste. And you need some vegetable oil. So in a pan, add vegetable oil, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Let it heat up, and when it's hot, add in the sliced onion. Whether red or white onion, any onion type is okay. Let it fry for about 2 minutes and add about 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Next, stir it and leave it on for about 2 minutes. Next, add thyme, garlic granules, and just about half a teaspoon of curry powder. The amount of thyme and garlic you add really depends on you, but this is how I like it, just a little bit. Stir it and add in the chopped hot chilies. So these are the hot chilies that I find in supermarket. It's the pointed small red ones. Stir it and add in your chopped tomatoes. So these are 3 medium-sized tomatoes. You can use more or less. Cover it and leave it on until the tomatoes become soft. And at this stage, we're going to add the corned beef. So as I was saying in my intro, I asked my older son to come and help and see what I'm doing, because as I said, I want all my kids to know how to cook, whether boys or girls, and I have boys only. So I am all right. So after adding the corned beef, I asked him to stir it, because we want our corned beef to become soft. And this is it here. Our corned beef are much softer, and I'm just giving it a last stir, and I'm going to add my vegetables, which are carrots and spring onions. You can use any vegetable you like. You can also use the bell peppers if you want it. And I chopped the carrots very finely because I wanted to cook fast. And I added some ground pepper and some all-purpose seasoning, so about 1 tablespoon of ground pepper if you like it spicy. Okay, and then stir it and leave it on for about a minute, and add a bit more oil if you think it's too dry. Next, add a little bit of salt to your taste, because the corned beef is already salted, so you don't need that much. Stir it, and that's it. Now our gari. So this is enough for 3 to 4 people, and I am adding a bit of water to make it soft, because as you know, gari is very dry. So, but don't make it soggy, okay? It has to be just soft. So just touch it with your hand and see if it is soft enough for you to eat it, okay? Right. Next, transfer it onto a bigger plate and add in your stew. Well, the gari has to be well covered, but it depends on you how much stew you want it. Okay. Next, when you think you have enough stew, stir it. Just give it a good stir. Mix it together with a spoon, and then transfer it into another nicer plate if you are serving it to guests. And that's it. This is gari fotor. And if you want a little decoration, I suggest you add some slices of onion, and for this time I use red onions, and I'm also adding a bit of spring onions to just make it look nicer. That's it, my friends. This is Ghanaian gari fotor. There are so many variations of this recipe, and this is just one of them, and this is my recipe. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. And well, I'll see you next time. I'd like to thank my son for taking part into this. You know what, he just told me he really likes to cook, and I was so honored, you know, so happy, because he sees what I do at home, and they are all interested. So this is a very nice. Well, again, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you next time for another tasty Mrs. Drury recipe. If you have any suggestions, as usual, please leave it in the comment section below, and please forgive me if I reply to your messages late, because as I said, I'm doing a lot of things at the same time, but I never forget your messages. I reply as soon as I can. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless you all. Bye bye.